Just who do you think? Pick out what's not a toy. What isn't a toy? Let me see. Well, they're all over the place. Catherine and her friends had a sleepover. So we've got teddy bears, pillows, blankets. Oh, what's this? Let's take a closer look. Teddy bears, blankets, pillows, backpacks. Something blinked at me. It's a cat. Oh! Emoji pillows. Oh, there's the cat again. Hey, it's Minu. Hi, Minu. Are you comfy? Oops. Careful, Catherine. Minu. Are you comfy, little boy? Yeah? Do you have hugs for Catherine? Love you. Ladies and gentlemen, I just could not pass up this extremely adorable cat moment. He's now taking a stretch. But look at that little face. Oh, bless you, baby. Who's never heard a cat sneeze before? There you go if you never heard one. Yeah. Bless you. There you go. One more of the many cute cat moments on our lovely channel. Of course, please tune in for the next one. There are more to come yet. Right, Minu? Because you know, and I know, everybody's got to keep their ears and their eyes open, because there's always another cute cat moment right around the corner. Remember, everybody, can you please, Catherine, what should they do?
Comment down below.
Comment down below. That's right. What do we need for them to tell us?
There was the amount of free shirts. That's
right. So for their free shirt, what do we need to give them a free shirt?
The minion.
That's right. Minu's going to be on the shirt. So they need to tell us their shirt size, don't they?
Yeah.
That's right.
And then pet was Kit Kat money.
That's right. What else do they need to do?
What? Subscribe.
Okay. And remember, everybody, also hit the little notification bell in the corner, right? On your right-hand side. And like our video, Minu will eat anything. And then you could win a new shirt with that cute little face on it. Hey! Who's attacking me? Ow! So, Catherine, do you want to say goodbye to everybody?
Bye.
And remember, keep your eyes and your
ears
open, because you never know when there'll be another cute cat moment right around the corner. We will talk to you later, everyone. Bye-bye.